Hello, this is Everton from Cory's Car Repair in Rugby. Then I would like to welcome all of you who's got cars in Rugby. And if you need any type of service, let's say MOT service, electrical problems with your car, diagnose problem, also full service, small service or major service, Cory's Car Repair in Rugby is here to welcome you then. Today I'm gonna just do a short video about what we do here then. And we've got about 2 Jags here today. We don't do only Jags, we do all make and models. But let's say if you've got Jags well in Rugby, you can bring it to Cory's Car Repair, because we've got quite good experience in Jags then. My technician, they work in Jag quite very well then, okay? I'm here to welcome you then. And yeah, I'm gonna just show you. Today we've got this Jag on the ramp here. It had a problem with lambda sensor. And this Jag been in about 2 garage, what I heard from the customer. It's been about 2 garage, no one could get it sorted, and it came to Cory's Car Repair and we managed to get it sorted. Then yeah, this is one of the Jag that we worked this week then, and it's gonna go today, it's ready to go. Okay, and yeah, if you drive a Jag in Rugby, you are more than welcome. Okay, let's go to see the other Jag then. I've got my technician, he's working another Jag here, and I would say this is a Jag week for the cars. Last week was a Jag week, and this week the Jag week is all. I've got Anjo here. Hello Anjo.
Oh.
Anjo is fitting a new turbo on a Jag here. As you can see, new gasket here. Everything in the details. We always try to clean everything. We always try to do a spot job, try to look after our customers. The old turbo is here, and yeah, it had a problem with turbo passing oil through on it. And yeah, it was quite badly, it was leaking quite a lot of, and then customer bring to us and we are replacing a new turbo on it. Also, we did a service on it as well, and now we're gonna do DPF regeneration as well on the car. Then this is another Jag from one of our customers in Rugby. And yeah, okay, let's jump on the other one then. I've got another Jag here. And yeah, this is another Jag that we've got at Cory's Car Repairs in Rugby. And the Jag on the ramp here, we've got oil leak problem here. And this is on the ramp. We are working on it. We've got gearbox off. We left the gearbox here on the corner. Yeah, the gearbox is off. And yeah, this Jag on the ramp here, because we are working on oil leak on it. Okay, let's show you in the detail then. As you can see, gearbox off here. We just got the engine left here. This was an oil leak problem then, and we took it off, and now I'm just waiting to find out the part for it, and we're gonna get it repaired then. Yeah, and yeah, just to show you, gearbox off. And also we've got another Jag here then. Let's go and jump on the other Jag then. Let's go outside. I thank you God, we've got plenty of work here, and I thank you God for that. We work on all makes and models, and yeah, we don't do van. This is the people who come drop the parts for us, because we don't do van, but all make and models here. And I've got another Jag here. This Jag has been here because there's an aircon pipe leaking on it. It's been diagnosed already. Now we are just waiting for parts, and as soon as we get the parts on it, we can get it we can get the pipes in place then. We can fit them in and do the aircon regas, and then we can let the car go then. That's fine. This is Everton from Cory's Car Repair then. And as I say, if you've got Jag in Rugby and if you want to take it to Cory's Car Repair, you are more than welcome. Also, if you drive any other make and model, you are more than welcome to come to Cory's. We can do a service, we can do diagnosis, and also we can do also off repairs then. That's fine, we can do MOT as well. We've got our own MOT station in-house. Thank you, God bless you and your family. Thank you very much for watching the video, and I hope all the best for you then.